Now this is the most up-to-date four-wheel drive 7-seat vehicle you can buy today, the Land Rover Discovery 5. With the options this car's got on it, is an instant seller, a vehicle that is so difficult to buy at the moment. This is a D300 R-Dynamic HSE Discovery 5, which is as good as it gets really being the HSE spec. It's got heated and cooled seats, 22-inch wheels, opening tilt and slide panoramic sunroof, with 10,000 miles on, priced at £77,990. This car is sure to be an instant seller. It's got to be. We can't buy these cars as much as we'd like to at the moment. We haven't had one for a good few weeks. So this is going to sell very, very fast, especially in Santorini Black. It's a 2021 registration, so Land Rover warranty and peace of mind until 2024, and presented in immaculate condition. The newest infotainment system that Land Rover do inside, with the added extra of having 7 seats, a very, very big, safe four-wheel drive, ultimate luxury really. And the new Discovery has been completely redesigned front to back, still keeping that celebrated shape. This one now with a dynamic grille, all the black badging, the new style LED front light, 360 camera, front and rear sensors. It's got it all. Being all black with a black interior, it is a very, very, very popular car. The wheels also a super important option, 22-inch 5-arm, new design wheels, all immaculate. As you can imagine, with 10,000 miles on, this car is a beautiful car. The new Discovery now has the painted wheel arches, painted bottom section, the R-Dynamic body styling, which is different front and rear accents, fixed side steps, roof rails. You probably noticed we've got the tilt and slide sunroof open, privacy glass. It's a stunning 7-seat vehicle, but being a 300 also, it is a very desirable car. It's 300 brake horsepower. It's a 3-litre diesel engine, so it's got that pulling power if you need it. It's got more about it than the 250s and the 200s. Luxury throughout this HSE. We've got the deployable rear shelf, which is electric, a nice little space, which is an upgrade to put your parcel shelf now, intelligent seat fold, air suspension, extra sockets at the back, so it's very up to date. And being an HSE, you have got that electric seat fold, which doesn't come as standard. We've also got reversing camera, privacy glass, so the car is literally all black, and Santorini Black is a beautiful pearlescent colour which shimmers in the light. It's a beautiful colour. Into the rear of the car, piano black inlays, ebony leather with the white or ivory piping, heated rear seats, the glass roof in the back for your rear passengers as well, which is shut off. And now in these new generation Discoveries, you'll see we've got points to put your, I don't know if you want to put an iPad in there, it's got phone charging points in the back of the seats, keyless entry, keyless start. Notice in the wing mirror we've got the blind spot assist, electric seats, Meridian surround sound stereo system, so an upgraded system as part of the HSE spec, memory seats. You know, the seats are very sporty, very comfortable. If you look at the headrests, everything about this car is pure luxury. Also, the new Discoveries have the short shift gearbox, which I'll show you. They've got the newest infotainment system with a massive screen inside, and they're a joy to sit in. Very high up off the road, feels very safe and very secure. Now, being the HSE, this is the spec on this car. We've got adaptive cruise control. So let's look at the steering wheel first and foremost. The steering wheel is electrically operated, so you can move it up, down, front and back. It's a new design with a Napa leather centre, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, lane departure, all on the right hand side, and your voice control and Bluetooth on the left. We've got a paddle shift on the gearbox, very, very easy to use. And then this massive infotainment system down the centre. So you've got your navigation, your Bluetooth, your media interface. You've got, like in the new Defenders, all these different selections, wade sensing, low traction launch. You can select different things to look at on your home screen. But with the HSE spec, you've got heated and cooled front seats, so the front seats are ventilated and heated. You've also got wireless phone charging point down here. Just everything you're going to enjoy, plus this unbelievable camera system in this car, which is your 3D surround view, top view, so it's got everything really. And the most up-to-date technology you'd want, plus you've got the horsepower from the 300 engine, the opening sunroof, the armrest, everything about it is just, it's a great experience driving. You sat up nice and high, nice and safe, presented in an immaculate condition with only 10,000 miles on, in a great colour, with the right engine, with the right spec, the right wheels. This is a great car. 77,990 going live now. Please, it will not last long. Call me directly on my number on the screen. My name's Richard, I'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.